Hey girl, hey! I'm going to be taking you with me to Target. We're going to be shopping. I also need to color my hair, so we're going to be doing that today as well. Grabbing my keys, and let's go. First, sanitize, always. I love the home department, but I'm really here for the fashion and beauty. They have the cutest sandals and heels for wedding season, spring, summer, graduation, or maybe even prom. These tan clear heels go with everything, but you guys know I love a good platform. I should probably clean out the bag that I have on my shoulder right now, but a new bag never hurt anyone. I've been really living orange at the moment, but not the white that's in my hair, so I'm going to use this Radiant Hair Color Kit from Madison Reed to get rid of that. Has anyone tried any of the Truly products? Specifically the unicorn products. This is their whipped body butter and it smells like candy. It smells so good. They also have some products for their Barbie collection collaboration, including this body serum. Never heard of it, but if you guys are looking for a good palette, Tarte has the best. I need to try Glamnetic. Heard so much about it, but never used it. I'm always looking at what others buy, and I saw that she was buying the same hair product as me. Maybe we should have a hair coloring party. All right. First thing I want to do is color my hair. The product I'm going to be using is this one here from Madison Reed. And you guys know I've been trying so many different products. I mean, as an influencer, I feel like I've tried it all. This is their Radiant Hair Color Kit. So it's gonna come with everything that you're gonna need to color your hair. Now I asked you guys over on Instagram stories if you've tried this, if you guys were interested, and a lot of you guys wanted me to try this out and let you know how it goes. Once I posted that, Madison Reed actually reached out to me and wanted to partner with me. So this video is made in partnership with Madison Reed. Now the first time I've heard about this was my best friend Maddie. She recommended it to me because she has a super sensitive scalp and I'm allergic to everything. She definitely had my attention, and girl, look at this. First thing I need to do is change into something that I don't mind staining or dropping any hair color on or whatever, you know, something. Just don't wear white. Okay, I see your award. You can shop this kit and the rest of their collection at madison-reed.com. This is not the shade or the product that I used the last time I colored my hair. I am gonna have to do an all over color application, but I'm gonna start with my roots. Barrier cream is first, along the hairline, and over your ears. One step, really easy. The color goes into the activator. Replace the cap and we're gonna shake it up. I'm going to make sure that I evenly saturate my roots, and then we're gonna move on to the rest of the length. Cleansing wipe, and you're gonna put on that little cap and wait for it to develop. Before I went and styled my hair, I wanted to make sure that all of my gray is covered, and it is. Okay, let's continue. Not a gray in sight, so definitely happy. My hair is super soft, the color is vibrant, and my hair looks really healthy and shiny. I also got a bag full of random makeup. Let me show you. This is the Maybelline New York Shadow Blocks in the number 20. It's a 3-layered compact eyeshadow palette. Apparently I talk like this because my eyebrows always fall down with that eyebrow wax or soap. A handful of you guys suggested that I pick up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Laminated Look Brow Kit. So it comes with the clear gel and it comes with the brow pen. And I think the brow pen is supposed to help you make the natural hairlines. I can't get this open, that's not good. This is the Loreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Wear Foundation, and I got it in the shade number 430. A lot of times the color is deceiving because sometimes it's like way too dark and it's way too light. So I'm hoping that I got something that I can work with. It also has sunscreen in this as well, so wish me luck. I picked up a product from Revolution, and this is their soap styler stick. One end is the soap product and it says no water necessary, which is cool, so I'm interested. And then the other half of this pencil is the spoolie brush. Have you guys tried this? If you have, please let me know what your thoughts are down below. I also got this product from e.l.f. This is the Camo Concealer Sponge, and it says it works best with their e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I just love the shape of it. It's also like neutral colors, which obviously I love too. Like, hello, trying to open this thing. Okay, here we go. But it's like the perfect size for in, like, close up into your eye. Only a few bucks, why not? I think I'm late to the Morphe Club. This is a super popular, like, influencer brand, and I don't have too many things from them. Many years ago, I went to one of their stores. I think it might have been like their first location in Burbank, I believe, and I bought a bunch of their brushes because they were really, really good quality. And at that time, I only had like MAC brushes to compare them to, and they're so much more affordable than MAC. So that's where I fell in love with them. But then after that, it exploded all over social media, and I'm like, okay, I'll just let you guys have it, because I wasn't trying to fight anybody to get a palette. So now there's no fighting involved. This is the Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals palette, and I thought it was beautiful. I'm like, okay, love her. So now for the clothing, I was using these slides to show you different outfits. So if you guys are not already following me on Like to Know It, make sure you guys do that. The link will be down below. They're super chunky. This is soft and cushiony too. The soles are not padded, which I'm kind of like bummed out about, but I mean, we have to give and take, right? So at least the strap over my feet are gonna be nice and comfortable. I was hoping that they would have different shades in this style because I really like it. Maybe they do online, but I just didn't see any in person. I should tell you guys that I got a size 6.5. So if you're interested in these slides as well, go down a whole size. I am a true 7.5. So definitely these run humongous. Y'all spoke real loud and clear. In one of my last try on hauls, someone said,
"You were definitely not size 8.
Okay, fine. I listened to you guys and I went up a size again. Not one, not two, but 3 different pants. They are boyfriend style, 100% cotton, and they are non-stretch. And I got them in a size 10 and they fit perfectly. I'm just worried because I am an animal and I hope that I don't get them dirty, but they looked really cute when I tried them on. Along with the white pair, I also got blue denim, and they're a size 10. These are also 100% cotton. Who was that? I'm trying to, all the influencers who have an apple shaped body like me, okay, they're all telling us to just get 100% cotton, and I feel like I'm gonna start saying that as well because this makes sense. The stretchy material on the jeans are not doing us any favor, especially in the front. It's making our little mom puff. I'm gonna call it a puff. I don't wanna call it a fupa because that sounds like ugly. No, it's a puff, okay? Because puffs are cute and they're also delicious. Here's another one that I really like too. It's from Universal Thread as well, size 10. And I thought these were cool. These were super unique. This looks like one big pocket, but it's just like a lot of patch detail, cargo style, but they're cropped. I was hoping that they would go to the floor, but I got them anyway because I thought they were still super cute. And last but not least would have to be this top, and it's from Wild Fable, and I got it in a size medium. It gives you that illusion of having a waist. I would go with true to size. So on my top, I'm a medium. I guess at the bottom, I'm a large. Denial. It comes in other colors, but I decided to just go with black because it's black. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this haul. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And another thank you to Madison Reed for sponsoring today's video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, requests, thoughts, opinions, whatever, girl, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to this channel if you have yet to join my family. Thank you so much. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!